Good morning, friends. My name is Shailesh Gawai. I am an assistant professor from Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science from AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune. As we know about the inheritance, so the last point of inheritance we will discuss today, it is nothing but the hybrid inheritance. In hybrid inheritance, it is the combination of various types of inheritance, that is multi-level, single inheritance and multiple inheritance. It is actually the combination of multiple inheritance and the hybrid inheritance. In hybrid inheritance, a class inherits from a multiple base class which itself inherits from a single base class. This form of inheritance is called as the hybrid inheritance. There is little bit ambiguity in hybrid inheritance because as we have studied a list of inheritance, single, multiple, multi-level, hierarchical. So in this case, the hybrid inheritance, multiple copies of member of the superclass can exist in the derived class. Let us take one example about hybrid inheritance. This is the general syntax of hybrid inheritance. Suppose a class A is having a member function enter data which is inherited by class B and class C. Therefore, we have two copies of the same function in the different classes. When class D inherits from class B and C, the same function appears twice in class D, one from class C and other from class B. So there is an ambiguity because one may be inherited in the private mode and other may be inherited in the public mode. To remove this ambiguity, we use virtual base class by instead of hybrid inheritance to remove that ambiguity. Now, my next topic is C++ friend functions and friend classes. It has also special capability and the functions. The private data members of a class cannot be accessed by any non-member function. The private data members can only be accessed by the member function of the same class. You can see the general syntax of friend function and various access specifiers or keywords, that is private protected, it is used. There are two alternative options to access the private members. First is to make the private members as public so that any member function can access them, but this violates the data hiding property of object oriented programming. So the other mechanism for accessing the private members, we use a special function, that is friend function. So the friend function has the capability and a few functions which can access the private members of a class if it is a friend of that class whose it is a friend. The friend function is not a member function, so it is may be declared in any access mode. The keyword friend informs the compiler that is not a member function, but it is a special function which is a friend of that particular class. With the help of this source code, friend function is used to calculate distance and meter. So using add 5 as a friend, using add 5 as a friend, we can calculate distance in meter of any function. So accessing private members from the friend function with the help of this formula, we can calculate distance in meters. Let us summarize of friend function and the hybrid inheritance. Reusability is the concept which is used in this lecture, and most of the object oriented concept based on reusability concept. Here we have studied hybrid inheritance as well as friend function with their friend classes with syntax, diagram and source code. Rajesh Shukla and E. Balgurusumi we use for the reference books. Thank you for listening patiently.